In a small, sunlit village nestled in the Spanish mountains, a renowned Serrano ham maker named Elias was the pride of the town. His hams were known far and wide, their flavor so rich and deep that even the royal family once sent for a taste. People often wondered why his ham tasted so different. Elias would only smile and say, "It's in the salt." But Elias held a deeper secret. His father, a humble ham maker like him, had passed down a family recipe. The golden recipe, they called it. This wasn't just any recipe. It was ancient and dangerously guarded, known only to a few families over the centuries. Legend had it that the ham cured with this recipe could stir emotions, bringing memories and longings back to life with each bite. One day, a wealthy restaurateur from Madrid arrived, offering Elias a fortune for his recipe. The restaurateur argued that, with his capital and Elias's craft, they could revolutionize the ham industry. But Elias hesitated, feeling the weight of his father's legacy and the tradition embedded in the ham-making process. The tension between tradition and ambition began to grow, and Elias's apprentice, Javier, watched it all with keen eyes. Javier, young and ambitious, craved recognition and was tired of working in the shadow of his master. One night, convinced that the recipe was merely holding him back, he broke into Elias's cellar, uncovering the recipe and secretly selling it to the restaurateur. The ham made with the stolen recipe became an overnight sensation, attracting attention across Europe. But something was amiss. The ham was popular, yet somehow the magic was gone. People were left craving but unsatisfied, like the taste was incomplete. Elias realized that without understanding the essence of the craft, Javier and the restaurateur had missed the soul of the recipe, which required a certain kind of patience, love, and respect. The scandal rocked the village, as locals whispered about Elias's apprentice selling out the legacy. The once beloved Javier now faced rejection and isolation from his community, realizing too late that the value of tradition wasn't about fame or fortune, but something more profound. In our fast-paced, consumer-driven world, where the lure of quick fame and shortcuts often tempts us, the story of Elias and Javier reminds us that certain things can't be hurried or commodified. Tradition, dedication, and respect for one's craft are timeless values. Rushing for immediate success can strip away the soul of something beautiful, whether it's a family recipe, an artistic pursuit, or a personal passion. True value lies in integrity and honoring the depth of what we create, preserving the spirit that gives our work its unique power.